Alright, so I promised you guys to do the inside of the store at the Cambra Speed Shop open house. And no, I haven't fixed the bike. I just took it off the gimbal, and when I heard the dragsters firing up. Come on.
How are you, Mike?
I'm good. How are you? So we were at the Cambra Speed Shop and Reids hot rod parts. And I wanted to give you just a quick walk around in the store too. But I heard the dragsters firing up, and I just quickly pulled the camera out so I could see or show you the dragsters running. But if you come to Reids hot rod shop, which is inside the Cambra Speed Shop, this is some of the stuff that you can buy down here. They have a little bit of everything. Cool statues, hot rod parts, family friendly environment. But you can buy anything from little hose parts, air conditioning parts, dipsticks, headers, and wheels, and suspension parts, and God knows whatever else. And so coming down to Cambra Speed Shop is more than one happy little thing. So I figured I'd give you a quick little walk around. I think they're available online too. Look at all the selection of lights. A lot of LED options and stuff too. Somebody was asking the other day about 59 caddy lights. And actually, here's the number and information, reidsrodparts.com. And you can call and order some of the stuff or go online. Just even the little bracketries, the stainless clamps, that kind of stuff. But you know, there's Scotto too. Hey, and he's wearing a mask. Wearing a mask.
I'll take it off.
So yeah, a little bit of everything can be had in the Run Camera / Reids hot rod parts store. Oh, just one donut left. Ronnie hasn't been here yet. So, oh, firing the other one up. I guess we'll end the video with a little hot rod stuff. I'm gonna sneak in between. Huh? What? Wow. That was cool. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for hanging at Custom Mike's. See ya.